Hi, my name is Michael, and welcome to the Metroidvania Forge. This is Chapter 4, Player Abilities. This is the moment where our Metroidvania starts to feel alive. In Chapter 1, we built a solid player controller and a state machine. In Chapter 2, we learned how to build worlds and create tile maps and assets. In Chapter 3, we built the systems that support our game, like save and load, audio, our map system, and others. And Chapter 4 is where all of this is going to start coming together. This chapter isn't just about adding abilities, it's about designing how the player interacts with the world through combat, movement, damage, and progression. We'll begin by making our actions feel impactful. We'll define how the world pushes back. And finally, we'll expand on the movement, the core of any good Metroidvania. All tied together through a clean, extensible ability system. If you're new to this series, I recommend starting with Chapter 1. That's where we build the foundation everything here depends on. But if you're already comfortable with state machines and basic movement, you can jump right in. Let's start turning this into a real game.